and absentee president is censoring our rights.
Yes.
And we have told them also that the IGP of police that is leading the program today at Eagle Square is an illegal IGP of police.
Yes.
He must leave after 60 years
You must
of
go.
age and 35 years of being in power.
Yes.
That is the essence of our march today.
Yes.
Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. As we are having this march today, it's happening in Lagos as well.
Yes.
It's happening in Port Harcourt.
Yes.
And these ones are rehearsals.
Yes.
The time will come where all Nigerians will come out and nobody can stop them.
Yes.
So we have advised our police friends or frenemies that they should go and tell their Oga that we are going to the National Assembly.
Yes. Yes.
But because they no longer serve the people, that is why you keep hearing about, oh, we have a program, don't come out. Yes. Our program cannot be stopped by police program.
Yes.
So let them go and make the calls, let them radio to the illegal IGP.
Yes.
We want to move and nobody can stop us.
Nobody.
Rex.
Sir. You want run? Go where? Go where?
Fight, girl. If we want to fight, we will not be listening to you now. You know we are fighters.
No.
So,
whose strength we get to say we can face with?
No, you just need intention, bad intention that they get.
Action!
No, it's a police just need bad intention to fight.
Yes!
We dey hungry.
Yes!
Silence us.
Action!
Take it back.
Action!
No.
Action!
We're alive.
Hey, record for here.
Who is that?
Merwa, kita tak kawajan mana?
Hello, good morning, sir. Yes, sir. We are in front of Transcorp now. DG and Let's get interviews. Are you recording? You are recording as well like this. Let's go.
Take it back. Action. Take it back. Action.